Hello there and welcome to the second lesson on the Shona alphabet, and this time we are dealing with consonants. As I've said before, Shona alphabet is similar to the English or the Latin alphabet, with the exception of letters L, Q and X, which we do not use in Shona. So we are left with 23 letters. Of the 23 letters, we've also covered the vowels, which we said they sound like A, E, O, U. That leaves us with 18 letters, and of the 18 we are going to do the first 9 in yellow. Here are some notes on how Shona words are constructed. The Shona words are a combination of syllables, just like any other words in any other language. So we have an example there, Zimbabwe, 3 syllables, and all Shona syllables start with consonants and end with a vowel. You can see the vowels there in yellow. And consonants are letters or a letter found before each vowel in a syllable. Shona has 18 letters that are used to spell consonants, and that excludes L, Q, and X, as you may already know. These 18 letters, or a combination of up to 3 letters, are used to spell consonants. We will look at each of the 18 letters and all the possible combinations that can be made from them. Starting with B. B, we have consonants B, BH and BW, and I'm going to pronounce them using all the 5 vowels. So B is ba, be, bi, bo, bu. BH is pronounced ba, be, bi, bo, bu. BW is bra, bre, bri, bro, bru. Here I've got examples of words that use each of the consonants. So for B, I have baba, which means father. BH, I have bazi, which means bus. It's just a borrowed word from English. And BW, I have braira, which means to blink. C only has CH, and it's pronounced cha, che, chi, cho, chu. The 2 examples that I have there, we have chana, which means a toddler, and chisi, which means a holiday. D has 4, D, DH, DY, DZV, and they are pronounced as follows. D is da, de, di, do, du. DH is da, de, di, do, du. DY is pronounced jga, jge, jgi, jgo, jgu. DZV is dra, dze, dzi, dzo, dzu. Our examples here for D, we have derere, which is okra, dongi, which is donkey for DH. DY, we have jgara, which means to plant, and DZV, we have janga, which is a scar. F, there's only fa, fe, fi, fo, fu, and we have the words here fema, which means breathe, and famba, which means to walk or move. G is only ga, ge, gi, go, gu, and the words we have there are gomo, which is mountain, and gudo, which is baboon. H only has ha, he, hi, ho, hu, and the words I have there is wondo, which means war, and huku, which means chicken. J is just J, Ja, Je, Ji, Jo, Ju. And words that starts with J, Juru, which is a termite, and Jecha, which is sand. K has two consonants. There's K and KW. K is pronounced Ka, Ke, Ki, Ko, Ku. And KW is Kwa, Kwe, Kwi, Ko, Ku. And the examples I have there, we have Kawa, which means to kick, and Kwenya, which is to scratch, as in scratching an itch. M is for M, MH, MBA, and MBW. M is pronounced Ma, Me, Mi, Mo, Mu. MH is Ma, Me, Mi, Mo, Mu. MB is Mba, Mbe, Mbi, Mbo, Mbu. MBW is Mbra, Mbwe, Mbri, Mbgo, Mbgu. The example there for M is Moto, which means fire. MH, many, lightning. MB is Mbonje, which is a scar. And MBWA, I have the word Mbwanana, which means puppy. In the next video, I'll continue from N to Z. Thank you for watching. It's alright, Shona. Keep learning Shona and speak Shona. Until the next video, goodbye.